Hey guys, today we're going to be talking about order flow and how it's a function of time.
Let's get straight to it.
Right. Okay, so firstly, liquidity is not constant. Liquidity varies. It's while it is present everywhere, there are certain times when liquidity increases. Now, these time windows are when we can expect delivery to happen. This can be sweeps, auction fails, gaps, etc. Now, where this is usually the third or fourth section of a fractal, which is your high and close or low and close. Remember, open, low, high, close. Don't forget that.
Yep.
Why order flow clusters in time? Order flow expands and contrasts over time, and markets spend most of their day in low participation, which is the same as saying it's usually in balance within fair value. Now, even if there is a lack of movement, intent could still be there. So again, this is where we use our time plus price framework to actually understand what the intent is. And that's all through candle sequence. You have an intent of your monthly candle, of your weekly fractal, of your daily fractal, of every single fractal, there is some sort of delivery and intent that we can expect to happen. So where liquidity appears and when does it appear? So if you don't believe liquidity operates in a time-based constraints, guys, this is already your sessions within TradFi markets, right? So you have New York, Asia, Sydney, London. Now within markets such as crypto, which have 24-hour daily cycles, the intent can be understood through candle sequence. High liquidity areas, again, or when delivery happens, are your third and fourth sections of a fractal. And we use the first, second, third, and fourth fractal, which is your open, low, high, close, or open, high, low, close. Each fractal section has its own delivery. So on your monthly fractal, every week will have its own delivery. On your
Yeah.
weekly, each day will have its own delivery. And again, this all goes back to candle sequence and understanding the effect of the effect of order flow and how you can understand it through candle sequence and through time. Yeah, so guys, if you have any questions, comment down below, ask in the group. Hope you learned something new. And guys, don't forget to join the group. Lots of free resources out there. Yeah, don't miss out.
Yep. And then I'll show you guys a quick example on briefly what we're talking about. So every highlighted levels that you guys will see here are your third 6 hour candle of the day. And you guys can see how very clearly we're shifting liquidity and it's able to deliver right off of those times, right? In this case, we're coming right into the gap plus the POC right into the third six and we're delivering. Right, same thing. On this day, what are we doing? Third six starts, and what can you guys see? Clear intent shifts and delivery begins very clearly. And this is every day, guys. And this is a live example of this past few days. You know what I'm saying? We're not looking back, old days. I mean, it doesn't even matter. You guys can look at anywhere, as a matter of fact, and start to look. Oh, yeah. Anywhere we pull up, and you guys can see we failed this third six sweep. And guess what? That's where their major intent shifts. And again, delivery begins. Right. And you guys can see even the same thing at the exactly top, right? We finished the third six move and exactly finishing the third six high. We sweep out the high plus the value area and failed to gap up. And again, that's where the intent shifts, right? Again, third six, major sweep plus holds POC, and we have again clear delivery. And that's why we look for those clear third six windows of time, right, within your chart to look for our clear sweeps, whether it's the fails, whether we're looking for new gaps off the value areas, whatever that context may be. It's slightly different day by day, obviously, right? Because market is not always inside of a balance, or it's always doing imbalanced moves. So you have to decipher what we're doing for that context, where we are. Are we at the highs? Are we at the lows? Are we in a monthly fractal lows? Are we at the monthly fractal highs? And those are the things that most people don't think about when they're, trading on the 5 minutes or the 1 minute. And then when every day that they show up and try to trade, they're not thinking about things like that. Correct?
Exactly.
So yeah. If you guys have
I
any
mean, I
other
think it's pretty
questions,
clear here.
yeah, just let me know in the chat.